how to buy FlyEaglesFly token. Now this token came under the symbol of FEF. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them on description. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener right now, and it's created by for now 4 hours ago, and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning your investment in the safe place. So this token is trending number 18 on Solana section on the screener right now. As you can see, to be able to buy this token, it is simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Now opening functionality for that. As you can see, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana wallet, of course, to be able to buy this token. Now paste the token address here. Click on your token, as you can see. Now here type how much you want to buy, as you can see here. So here you will be able to see how much you will receive of that token. Now select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slip page from here or custom it, because the most issues came from the slip page, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy FlyEaglesFly token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.